My name is Dylan Mutersbaugh. I was one of the triple majors. I did game art animation, and then that's what I walked for last year. And then this year, I walked for my bachelor's in game programming and game design. I started off the school, one of those kids that didn't want to get out of bed. I was living on campus, and I'd roll out of bed and watch my online class, sometimes fall asleep in the middle of it. And one day, I just woke up and realized that this is my future. And if I don't go out there and be a part of everybody here, what's the point in being here at all, you know? So honestly, I wish I could do it all again. I started in 2021, so it's been a good 5 years of me going to the campus on and off. And honestly, I'm more there now than I was when I was still a student. Everything involving game art and animation was awesome. That's why I started going to the school. But then I got hit with game design and immediately switched gears all towards that. And that is all thanks to Professor Matthew Marquardt. He talked me into everything. He stopped me and a lot of people that I know from quitting. And honestly, like, I don't think I would be sitting here without at least like most of his advice. And he was just the #1 person at the school that really kept me here. Yeah, so my step was about it was art related. It was about shading in Unreal Engine. How a lot of people want to make games Unreal Engine, but it has that kind of Unreal feel. So I made a whole starter pack of assets for artists like me that really want to go with stylization or want to go with a 2D game in an engine that's not necessarily meant for that. Just to give them a really good starting point from the ground up, which is why I called it ground up. Just to give them that edge on and get the hard part out of the way so they can actually make good games. That's it. And I'm currently with Tongue in Cheek right now. I'm transitioning to the lead. And I went from lead designer on Project Catalyst to now project manager on a game called Knock that we're working on right now, which we actually got to take to GDC and show off a little bit, a couple of the booths. Just continue with that going forward and kicking off my career with them. Get off your butt, 100%. So that would have helped me out so much. It's not scary. It sounds so scary at first to just go and do all these things, but it's just that first step. Once you make a routine of it, once you get out of bed, once you actually go into class and show up, show up, seriously. Showing up is half the battle. Just being there with all the people and getting in the mindset to work and actually do everything is 90% of the work. The rest of it just flows from there. You're gonna create awesome things, but when are you gonna start? Gotta do it now.